You want to talk about big plastic parts? Here's a big plastic part. This is the dash for a school bus. We make even bigger parts. We go up to 14 feet. This is a large part made out of high-density polyethylene. It's used in the drainage industry. All right, as you see here in our warehouse, these are large drainage parts. They're made out of high-density polyethylene. As you see, there's a lot of them here. We stock these for our customers and we ship them to our customer when they need them. Okay, at our plant in Conyers, we do a variety of different things, from the high-density polyethylene parts that you just saw to parts like this. This is a drain pan made for air conditioning units made out of polycarbonate. Very rigid material, very durable material. This part is formed off of a male tool. If you need a big plastic part, it shouldn't be your job to figure out, does it need to be vacuum formed, thermoformed, pressure formed? C&K is here to help you do that. So what we call it at C&K is megaforming. Megaforming is anything over the size of a laptop up to 14 feet long. The other thing about megaforming is, look at the thickness here, but look how thin this material is. You get this rigidity with a thinner gauge material, and C&K can help you pick the material that you're going to use for that. Here's another part. Look at the shape of this. Look at the design work. C&K helped this company design these parts and then assemble them for this company. This is used for underground electrical service. Look how thin this material is, but look how rigid this part is. To do this rigidity with fiberglass, it'd have to be 2 or 3 times this thick. Fiberglass is too expensive, it's too heavy. Look at, here again, look at the thin gauge of this material with the rigidity. To do this rigidity with fiberglass, it'd have to be 2 or 3 times this thick. Do you need a metallic finish on your vacuum formed part? We've got it, but this part is not finished. This part's got it in the acrylic cap. This is a 5-layer ABS, and it's got an acrylic cap over the metallic. So look at this metallic. Let me bring it up to the camera. Do you need an auto type finish? Do you need a Class A finish? Here it is. This material we make gas pump bodies out of. They've been out in the weather for over 20 years, and we can take you to places where they look as good today as they did the day we made them. Okay. This part is made out of ABS. This is a medical cart top pulled into a female or a pressure forming mold. Just a few hours ago, we were running this part on this machine. We've now converted it and we're running high-density polyethylene. At C&K, the process is simple. We mold it, we cut it, and then we ship it.
Thermoforming is lighter with lower cost tooling, no fooling for corrosion-free, dent-free, crack-free parts. Made in the USA, call